One health tip from every country. Global wellness secrets. What if you could gather one life-changing health tip from every corner of the world? From ancient traditions to modern-day habits, these global secrets will inspire you to live healthier and happier. Here are 20 health tips from 20 different countries and how you can use them in your own life. 1. Japan. Practice hara hachibu. In Okinawa, Japan, people follow hara hachibu, a habit of eating until you're 80% full. This reduces overeating and helps with longevity. Elderly people eating modestly, smiling, with a stop at 80% full text bubble. 2. India. Start your day with warm water and lemon. In India, many people begin their morning with a glass of warm water and lemon to stimulate digestion and detoxify. 3. Italy. Make mealtime sacred. Italians prioritize slow, mindful eating with family. This boosts digestion, reduces stress, and builds emotional well-being. Family around a dinner table, laughing and eating slowly. 4. Sweden. Embrace fika break. Swedes enjoy fika, a daily coffee break focused on relaxing and connecting with others, great for mental health. 5. South Korea. Fermented foods for gut health. Kimchi and other fermented foods are staples in Korean diets, keeping the gut microbiome strong and balanced. 6. Morocco. Sip mint tea mindfully. In Morocco, drinking mint tea isn't just a refreshment, it's a relaxing ritual that promotes digestion and calmness. 7. China. Practice Tai Chi for longevity. Many in China practice Tai Chi, a form of gentle movement and meditation that improves flexibility, focus, and balance. 8. Brazil. Get sun and vitamin D daily in sunny Brazil. Outdoor living means lots of natural vitamin D, which boosts mood and immune function. 9. Thailand. Use herbs like ginger and lemongrass. Thai cuisine is full of healing herbs. Ginger, lemongrass, and turmeric all have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting benefits. 10. Greece. Eat a Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil, fish, fruits, and veggies is linked to lower heart disease and longer life. 11. Ethiopia. Eat injera for gut health. Ethiopians eat injera, a sour flatbread made with fermented teff flour, great for digestion and loaded with fiber. 12. Germany. Walk after meals. A short walk after eating is a common habit in Germany, helping digestion and blood sugar control. 13. Mexico. Use fresh herbs daily. Mexican dishes are full of fresh cilantro, lime, and chili herbs that aid digestion, detox, and add nutrients. 14. Nigeria. Eat more fiber from whole foods. Traditional Nigerian meals include yams, beans, and leafy greens, all rich in natural fiber for gut health. 15. France. Portion control with pleasure. French people enjoy rich foods in small portions. It's not about restriction, but savoring every bite. Which country's tip will you try first? Don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more global health insights.